Today, I'll show you how to install PrimeOS alongside Windows 11 so you can dual boot both operating systems on the same computer. This means you can keep Windows exactly as it is while also having a full Android operating system that you can launch whenever you want. PrimeOS offers a desktop-style Android experience with keyboard and mouse support, built-in gaming tools, and access to the Google Play Store, making it a great choice for gaming, productivity, and everyday Android use. The best part is that it runs on Android 11, so it can handle all Android apps and games easily. Don't worry if you've never done anything like this before, because I'll explain everything from start to finish in a simple and beginner-friendly way. So, give his video a tight thumbs up and let's get started. To begin, we'll need the latest PrimeOS ISO file. Open your favorite web browser and search for PrimeOS. Do not visit any other website, visit the official PrimeOS download page on SourceForge. Here, click the download button, and ISO file will start downloading in a few seconds. Since it's around 1.6 gigabytes, it may take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Now, open another browser tab. Head over to the official Rufus website and download the latest version of Rufus. If you've never used it before, Rufus is a free utility that allows us to create a bootable USB drive, which we'll use to install PrimeOS. The good thing is that Rufus doesn't require installation. So once it's downloaded, simply keep it ready, because we'll be using it in just a few minutes. Now, instead of waiting for the download to finish, let's use that time to prepare everything else we'll need for the installation. For installing PrimeOS, we need to create some free space on our hard drive or SSD. PrimeOS needs its own partition, so we won't be installing it inside the Windows partition. To do that, right-click the Start button and open Disk Management. Here you'll see all the drives connected to your computer. Locate your Windows partition, which is usually the C drive. Then right-click it and choose Shrink Volume. Windows will calculate how much space can safely be reduced. For a smooth experience, I recommend creating at least a 32 GB partition. Although, if you plan to install a lot of Android games, giving it 64 GB or more is an even better idea. Enter the amount of space you want to allocate and click Shrink. After a few moments, you'll notice a section labeled Unallocated Space. Right-click that unallocated space and choose New Simple Volume. The setup wizard will appear, and you can simply keep clicking Next until you reach the formatting options. Leave the file system as NTFS, and give the partition a name such as PrimeOS. Once you click Finish, Windows will create a brand new partition that's ready for the installation. By now, the PrimeOS ISO file should have finished downloading. Open Rufus. Insert your USB flash drive into the computer. Make sure you've backed up anything important. Rufus should automatically detect your USB drive. Click the Select button and browse to the PrimeOS ISO file you downloaded earlier. Here, choose Partition Scheme of your disk. Let's find out if you don't know about it. Right-click on Windows Start button and open Disk Management. In Disk Management, right-click the disk where Windows is installed and select Properties. Open the Volumes tab. Here you will see your partition style. Whether it's GPT or MBR, select it in Rufus. Leave all the other settings at their default values. Then click Start. If Rufus shows warnings or permissions, simply click OK and continue. And it will start creating bootable USB. This process usually takes just a few minutes, so wait until it finishes. Once it's done, click Close. Now we will start installation. Restart your PC and boot from the USB drive. If you're not sure how to do that, I can't demonstrate it here because the boot menu key and process vary depending on your computer's brand, such as Dell, HP, Lenovo, and others. To make things easier, I've added links in the video description with step-by-step guides for each major brand, so you can quickly find the one that matches your PC and boot from the USB drive without any confusion. You'll see the PrimeOS startup menu. From the available options, choose Installation to begin installing PrimeOS onto your computer. The installer will scan your storage devices and display all available partitions. Carefully select the new partition labeled as PrimeOS and press Enter. After selecting the correct partition, you'll be asked which file system you'd like to use. Choose ext4 and press Enter. The installer will then ask whether you'd like to format the selected partition. It's perfectly safe to choose Yes. You'll be asked whether you want to install the Grub bootloader. Make sure you select Yes. A little later, you may also see a message you can select No here. The installation will now begin copying files to your drive. Once everything is finished installing, remove the USB flash drive from your computer and choose the option to reboot. This time, instead of booting directly into Windows, you'll see PrimeOS boot menu. Select PrimeOS for the first boot, and be patient because the initial startup usually takes several minutes after PrimeOS finishes loading. Simply follow the on-screen setup just like you would on a new Android phone. Once you're on the home screen, open the Google Play Store. Update any built-in apps if necessary and start downloading your favorite Android applications and games. If you want to boot into Windows, then turn off your PC. After that, turn it on again and go to Boot menu by pressing your boot key. Here select Windows Boot Manager and press Enter. And UPC will boot directly into Windows. And that's all there is to it. You now have Windows 11 and PrimeOS installed side by side on the same computer without deleting your existing Windows installation. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.